Sao Chang Government College Tuensang laga students can August 31, 2023 de Tuensang Tower Glock di silent protest gurishe. Itu protest to hele students kan laga dud proper pass service na thaka garane our college de almost 5 years principal na thaka nimiti protest luishe. Second day protest September 1 day students can memorandum Deputy Commissioner Chairman Sao Chang College ki dishe. Itu memorandum ko ase ki immediate allocation of bus service TV college to jara bus ase so burana aro khali dinda bus gonorkom pola bole para laga ase aro kuishe college laga enrollment 668 hoilebi 70% of the students to class di ahole nabara hui jai kuishe college bus nathaka garone gumba students to internal exams pi diole para nai kuishe Memorandum Guase immediate posting of principal anibole. College to hole 4 to 5 years principal nathaka huishe. Students council ra principal posting bishibar mangishe holebi college authority ra saidia nai guishe. Aro memorandum guishe ge immediate repairing of road condition. College to hole Tuensang down to college campus ponchibole 7.5 kilometers. Rasta lamba hoa karne students kan paidal berawale olai jai guishe. Students khando aro itu grievances government ki sincere ra sai tv goina janai diase.
No kobina.